At the shop, and it's been a while. I mean, the latest video that I posted was like 4 weeks ago. Actually, it was taking so much time to get that video processed. I don't know what was going on with it, but it was just a breakdown on what was going to happen with the Miata. Today I am going to do a cleanup around the shop. It is a complete mess. I got to get rid of the transmission, and I got to figure out a way where I can set up the motor somewhere else because it's tilting and it's gonna fall over pretty soon. And then I got to get rid of all this trash and all this stuff. I actually got to move the hood towards the middle so I can put my other fender that I got off over here. And I swear there's freaking a squirrel living inside my fender and my side skirts over here. There's so much garbage and stuff built inside of it. Took me forever to get the one fender off. But right now I am just gonna get started on trying to clean up the whole shop, start from there. I'm not sure what else is gonna work out for today. I gotta clean up that oil spill too. I just gotta clean up all from under here, get this all cleaned out. I gotta put a bunch of parts inside this box right here. There's a lot of stuff that I gotta get done. End up getting most of the stuff around here all cleaned up. I need to find a dumpster where I can just dump a whole bunch of stuff and just get everything cleaned out. Honestly, I got to get everything cleaned up or I'm gonna start flipping out. So that's just gonna be for it today. There's also a little surprise that I'm thinking about today. Not too much. I know I'm not really supposed to be going this way, but it's just trying to find something different that I could kind of work on. Because while I'm working on getting the motor out of my Miata, I also have something else to work on. And if things go well, I could always use the money on this next surprise to go into my Miata and the build for it. So that is just basically everything that I'm letting out right now. So I guess it just depends what today goes for, and I'll just let you guys know. Oh, it's kind of bright right there. You guys will see and explain. Also, another thing, last week I took out the chairs of my Miata. Save up to get new chairs, probably some cheap eBay, or I'll find some brides somewhere. Maybe someone's got some pretty clean seats around on their local classifieds. I gotta clean this whole place out. It's disgusting. But that's that. But there's a lot of stuff that's got to be done to this motor. I got to figure out a way to get this whole thing out. Me and my friend Tristan came here the other week, and we were actually cutting away the manifold, and it was not doing anything for us whatsoever. We tried to get the exhaust off, and it's that 1/3 bolt that's on the side down here that we cannot get to. And there's no way of us getting to that bolt and ripping it out. And we actually tried taking the steering column out, which I think that was a pretty bad idea. I'll most likely try to put everything back together when I can and let it be. But for most part, I really just need to get this whole place cleaned up, get rid of the transmission, and clumps everywhere. Just get rid of the transmission, get rid of that garbage box, and then I'll probably find a way where I can put a garbage box in here that I could use for my personal use rather than that thing, because that thing is literally overflowing right now, and I cannot put any more stuff in there. So that is that. I'll probably just do a little time-lapse video now just to show you, just to go through the whole cleaning process, because I have nothing else to record about. But if I do, it'll just be on the next video. So yeah, just enjoy, guys. most of the place up. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I had to take pictures of my headlights because I'm going to sell them. And I have no use for them unless I decide to make custom ones, but I don't really need to since I have these ones, and these will work for me. But I got the transmission out, put the V6 on a tire and the pallet, just so it will make it more sturdier rather than wobbling around. I still gotta get a table so I can sit it literally right here and put all my tools right here and work on the car from the front. But gotta figure out a way where I can detach those motor mounts, and I have to unbolt like 4 or 3 more bolts to the transmission, and then as soon as the transmission bolts are off, I can go ahead and start taking everything else off. I can start taking off the fuel line and everything else, just get rid of everything as much as I can, and see where it goes from there. Hopefully I don't see any bad things to the engine, like a crack or something, because that will really make me upset, and I'll have to buy a whole new engine. Literally, I think that's it. I'm still waiting on that surprise video for today. I'm still trying to figure out the whole messaging. I'm just messaging this guy about it, and it's almost there. I gotta find a way where I can get a ride to go check out the big surprise, and we'll go from there. I will just make a video on the trip down, and yeah, that's about it.